For using this AliExpress module, you can end in jail. Yes, it's forbidden in most countries. Let me explain. It's around $15 from AliExpress. And what is it? It's a 0.5 watts FM transmitter PLL stereo FM radio broadcast station receiver. It's not a receiver, it's a transmitter. Digital LED display frequency with microphone. DIY kits. Yes, it comes as kit. You need to assemble. All the parts are in the bags. And here it's a video where this dude is showing that is delivering 0.5 watts. Look. Alright. Here it is. Yes, for using this FM transmitter you can go to jail. So please do not try in your home, in your country. I got this, I don't know, maybe 1 year, and I assembled all the parts, tested, and it's working great. And now I'm gonna show it to you again how it's working, and I'm gonna turn it on at my own risk. And what is PLL? What is meaning PLL for this transmitter? PLL means phase lock loop. That means when you set the frequency, let's say at 108 MHz, it will stay there. That is great. And this is a very cheap module FM transmitter. It have DC input right here. It works on 12 volts. I solder little antenna just to cover my house, nothing more. Maybe I will go to jail, I don't know. We have 2 touch switches for choosing the right frequency that you wanted. We have 3.5mm audio inputs. One of them is line in and the other is for the microphone. And let's plug in. Power on. It's working, but because the display is with green numbers, you can see good. Let me. Okay, now it's better. As I said, with using these 2 touch switches you can change the frequency and will stay at that frequency, which is super nice. That is PLL phase lock loop. Alright. I'm using this Bluetooth adapter, audio Bluetooth adapter. I have a video for this one. I will put a link in the description below. Power on. Okay, plug in. I'm connected, and I'm gonna show you to you this FM radio receiver that I built using Arduino board and FM receiver module. It's completely made from scrap wood and turned out pretty cool. Also have inside built-in amplifier, LCD display, antenna. It looks like a steampunk gadget. Stereo speakers. Doesn't have built-in battery. It works on 5 volts. Turn it on. Alright. You can change the station like this, with this knob, and this is the volume. Alright, I'm gonna set the frequency 88.0. Turning on the volume. Here it is, 88 megahertz. Nothing here. That is. I'm gonna play some music. Alright, working fine. I'm gonna grab another radio, play some music, and find the station. Look, listen. The same. Alright. Now I have a small radio station at home. But remember, this is forbidden and you can end up in jail, breaking the laws in your country. Please do not try that. Alright, working great. And I forgot to mention, and if you connect a very good antenna and bring outside, I don't know how many kilometers you will cover using this FM stereo transmitter with PLL, phase lock loop. It's simple for using. I have a Bluetooth adapter that is connected with my phone, and the audio go to the FM transmitter, and you have a radio station. And it's giving a very clear sound, which is good. That was all in today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of module.
Power off.
Yes. See ya.